In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators on Ctrader. Whether you're tidying up a crowded chart or starting fresh with a clean view, this quick process will help you focus on what matters most: price action and clarity. Start by opening Ctrader on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're on the workspace where you normally analyze markets. You don't need any special configuration for this, just have the platform running so you can see your charts. Next, open the specific chart you want to clean up. This could be a currency pair, a stock, or any instrument you trade. If you already have the chart open, you're good to go. The time frame doesn't affect removal, so leave it as is. It can help to zoom slightly or maximize the chart so the indicator lines and panels are easy to click. Now, find the indicator you want to remove on the chart. Indicators can appear as lines overlaid on price, such as moving averages, or as separate panels below the price chart, like RSI or MACD. Right-click directly on the indicator's line, histogram, or label area. Aim for the element that clearly belongs to that indicator. Right-clicking empty space will usually bring up a general chart menu instead. When you right-click correctly on the indicator, a context menu appears for that specific tool. From that menu, select Remove. This immediately deletes the indicator from the chart without affecting your instrument, time frame, or drawings. If the indicator was in its own panel, that panel will disappear too, giving you more room to view price. If you are experimenting with several tools, repeat the same right-click and remove action for each one you want to clear. Nothing else changes on your chart, so all your other indicators, levels, and notes remain intact. If you remove the wrong indicator by mistake, don't worry. You can simply undo the last action or reapply the indicator later using your usual method. A quick refresh of the chart view can also reassure you that everything looks clean and responsive. And that's all there is to it. Open Ctrader, open your chart, right-click the indicator you no longer need, and click Remove. Keeping charts lean makes patterns easier to spot and decisions faster to make. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading with a cleaner, more focused chart. If this helped, keep this method in mind whenever your workspace starts to feel cluttered and you want a reset.